Yeah, I took a trade. It went to 123 or to reward and it stopped out right on the New York Open at break even. Stopped out at break even. I was like, it's at the 123, New York about to open. Should I close it or hold it? I was like, let me try to catch that. All right, let me look at the charts. I don't want to miss anything. Me no gusto when I miss a setup. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay, we're bearish on EURGBP. I didn't take any trades on EURGBP because I didn't have any supply levels. Today, I would like this one, but it's not really valid. Then I like this one. So potential sells on EURGBP here. I did not take any partials. I'm stupid, bro. It was very low risk anyways. I risked only $2,000 on the trade. I'm like really trying just to take it slowly, get the ball rolling with the start of the new year, and then I'm gonna start upping the risk a bit. Right now, I was just like playing it safe, especially with CVD. Wow, none of my zones are being touched. But we're having some very decent supply levels so far. Here, GU's bullish, right? We decided it was bullish. Or no, the daily market structure is still bullish. One problem is that I want to use this one. We'd have a nice bounce here in New York session. We have an entry confirmation too. Damn, okay. Okay, markets. Okay, markets. Bullish, USD/JPY bullish. I think the dashboard also says bullish. Yeah, USD/JPY bullish, which is good. Fundamentally also bullish. Oh, come on, man. What is going on? That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. Every Forex pair has a potential setup. I mean, even EURGBP has confirmed on 3 minutes. Do I want to take it? Daily 4 hour 15 is bearish now. That would be 0.5% risk on the trade. Well, maybe 10 pip stop loss. Let's see, I'm gonna set alert. One thing I don't like is that the zone is quite old and we do have a quite bearish momentum. Gold is a bit rangy. London session. Weekly also bearish. I'm gonna leave it alone. It's very choppy at the moment. Okay, guys. Damn. Fucking awesome. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. So now to those who learned from me, now you guys see what I mean, where like you look at the markets and everything just seems to be right. Bias zone, right? This is the type of market conditions that I'm talking about. Where previously we're looking at this price action here and we couldn't find anything. Where now, like, it took me 1 minute to find the supply level and identify the direction. Beautiful. No complaints. Ooh, damn. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Did we have a CVD setup here? I wouldn't say so. Nice decent distribution, I would say. And opposite correlation for indexes. Opposite correlation. Okay, so alerts are set for all the assets. I mean, GBPUSD, I'm a bit late. This should have been my entry right here. Unfortunately, I was a couple minutes late. Wow. 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 We dropped 0.7% in 9 minutes. Yo. Wow. That's absolutely beautiful. Welcome to 2026, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to 2026. We have multiple setups. We just need to wait right now. I was in US 30 sales and it was looking good, but then New York volume kicked in, and for GU I have a zone, quite old one, right here. We can do it like this. It could be this one as well, but it's more of a 30-minute zone right here. Crazy reaction previously, this New York session. Ooh, we're coming back. Now, is it not too late? I'm not in this trade, by the way. This is my S30. I'm sorry, EURUSD. So we have some potential setups. Alerts are set. I wouldn't mind try to catch something with CVD, but so far everything looks just trendy and we don't have any accumulation. Okay, so what's the setup closest to potentially happening? Imagine like I actually take this trade and I lose it now. Bro. You would be the happiest man alive, bro. Now I don't want to fucking take it, bro. Now I don't want to take it because I would get embarrassed in front of all you guys. Damn, I hate trading live, bro. I hate trading live, bro. Oh my god. Bro, I hate trading live because people, there will always be people that's gonna be like, don't take this trade, and then when you lose the trade, they're gonna be like, I told you. Might as well take it, you know, might as well take it. One thing is, I mean, this would be my trade management zone, and if we retest and don't break it, then it would be probably the same thing as if I would taken it here. I don't like this. Let's do it like that. I'm not in the trade yet, by the way. Just so you know. Sometimes I mark it up just to kind of... Alright, we're retesting. Should I take it or no? Yes or no in the chat, bro. You guys got me messed up. You're in gold longs. Here we go, retest. Let's see if this zone holds or not. Oof. Absorbed. Being absorbed. Oof. 13 more seconds. I'm in gold buys. What do you think? I don't know. Gold looks fundamentally it's bullish. Technically, looking at the big picture is also bullish, right? I mean, but we have a gap below here. Previous weekly close, we still haven't filled it yet this week. Previous daily close bearish. It's very tricky. Even the indicator is like rainbow. So I don't know. Tough. I would just stay away from it. probably just scalp it at the moment. GU, what are we doing? Oh my God, come to Papa GU. A bear's absorbed at this level right here. I'm gonna regret this. I'm gonna regret not taking this trade. I swear, it's like a fucking textbook setup. Yeah, I mean, that's the thing. If you zoom out, you're trying to catch a falling knife at the moment. You're really trying to catch a falling knife here. God damn. But potentially could have caught it, to be honest. Good boy, he said. No. So the thing is, for those who don't know, like people in my community, we trade live pretty much every day. And lately they've been trying to get me wifed up. And they send me girls that they know or whatever, and I go and send them the DM. Bro, my community is hilarious, I swear to God. Did anyone take this trade? If you did, be aggressive with taking partials. Okay, congrats. All of you took the trade but me. Story of my life, bro. Story of my life. I swear to God. I hope you guys lose it. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding, guys. I'm kidding. Low key in my head, I hope. No, I don't. Let me get some water. All right, I got myself some water. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna be drinking. I'm not gonna be drinking this. I'm not gonna be drinking for the next. That's it. I'm turning off the chat next stream. These guys got me messed up, bro. I don't even want to look at it. I don't even want to look at that. Fuck. And on the first stream of 2026, I told my guys I'm gonna become less hesitant on my trades. Yeah, right. Yeah, right, bro. I'm so mad, I'm not gonna lie. I'm so pissed. I'll share my forward out, bro. I said my analysis about all of these. Oh yeah, it's coming back. Oh my God. If I would have took it, I would have taken partials here. I would have already taken partials. After this close right here, I would have closed 25%. Then I would close another 25 if we close below this, where the bears were absorbed. And so if you're in this trade, these are the trade management zones. Let me have them for you in case you're in the trade. Yeah, bro, if like this volume continues, if we continue to have this nice volume that we have been seeing the last couple of days, yesterday, today, it's gonna be good. And especially these type of markets. Like if this was a nice accumulation, this could have, not really, but you know what I mean. This was a nice accumulation here. Everything is neutral, bro. Everything but EURGBP. Everything is neutral. Okay, this was an aggressor. That's an aggressive take, bro. That's an aggressive take here. I'm not a big fan of this accumulation. I mean, on 1 minute, it's a bit better. Nice aggressor. Was there CVD divergence? There was a nice divergence. Everything is perfect, but the accumulation is questioned. Ah, fuck. Now that I look at it, it's kind of all right. You know what I mean? It's kind of all right. Not gonna lie. Nice CVD divergence, beautiful CVD divergence, and you can see a lot of bullish volume is being absorbed here. Oh wow, okay. Did you 1, 2, 3? How much R did you get from this? Where was the bearish candle? I mean, depending where your stop loss was, this could have been a nasty one. 1 to 9, and if your stop loss is a bit higher, then still crazy. Yeah, okay, thanks for calling it out, Rokas. Thanks for letting me know. Could have made some money while playing golf. No, I would have taken it. What's happening? Oh, never mind. Never fucking mind. You shouldn't sell gold. Bro, shut up. I mean, GBPUSD. This is crazy, dude. This is crazy. I took like 3 break-evens already in this year. 3 or 4 break-evens, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm gonna stop playing golf and listening to these people online, man. What a beautiful setup it was. What a beautiful setup. Previous weekly bullish. 30-minute, beautiful demand. 3-minute entry confirmation. Like, what are we talking about? And now we broke 0.25 negative fibs. Oh, man. At least you guys took it. At least you guys took it. Some of you. Whoa. Yo, another setup on EURUSD. 1 minute time frame. It's a trap. It's a trap, boys. It's a trap. I gotta get my head right. I feel like after taking a long break from trading every day, I lost my grip and I need to get it back. Mentally. $100 lots on USD, fuck it. Just kidding. Oh my god. I'm supposed to be example. I'm supposed to be an example, guys. Who has enough money here to put 100 lots on EURUSD with me? Who has enough on them? Oh, no wick on a 50-minute candle top or 30-minute candle top. I would love to see that wick first. So maybe we do the body of the candles as a neckline. And I think that's a good idea. I took a trade earlier on US30 and it was break-even trade. I hesitated on GBPUSD trade, that could have been a win. And now I'm potentially looking to take shorts on EURUSD. But I would love to see that wick here. I want to watch them both. Okay, EURUSD and US 100. That's 1 minute though. I want to see how the sellers are going to be absorbed around this level, because I have an idea. That is an entry confirmation. So those who use the OG, that's how you take fibs as an entry confirmation, right? We have impulsive rejection from the zone, and This is where you pull the fibs. Not from London start highs to here, you know? Or like even somebody said, oh, look at the fibs, you know? This is not an entry confirmation fibs. That is an entry confirmation fib. All right, I'm shorting EURUSD. Let's see what happens here. I'm not hesitating on this one. I'm done. Done hesitating, bro. Time to trade, man. No more. What's happening with GU though? Is it dropping as well? All right, I'm gonna get this out of the way, so I'm not worried about this anymore. Oh wow, nice. EURGBP. It's away. USD JPY. I want to look at US 100 meanwhile. No way we just close about trade management like that. Absorb sellers. Absorb sellers. Ah, come on, no way. All right. Part of the game. All right, close 25% of my position here. We closed below, which is a decent sign. And also, I'm kind of okay betting on USD strength at the moment. I want to see what the dashboard says. EURUSD is neutral. Tomorrow is also NFP, so don't expect a lot of trending in the markets. Usually, especially day before, we got a lot of consolidation. You can see the Asia session, you can see the London session. Not really much direction here. So I'm also okay with aggressively taking partials off my position. Because during days like this is like the way you make money is by taking partials when the markets are very choppy. Let's see what happens. You're loving the dashboard? Yeah, it's awesome, man. It's awesome. Gold CVD. What's the accumulation here? I don't see accumulation. It's the price just moving up. I trade CVD only London session and OG in New York session. But I also keep an eye on indexes and gold for CVD during New York. I kind of trade both. London session, I only trade CVD. Only. Why did I mark? Oh, okay, no, it's Dow Jones. Okay, I was like, why did I mark up accumulation on the EURUSD? Dovy, I'm using your first strategy and I've backtested over 250 trades in 6 months. It's awesome. The win rate is about 50-60% and the NDR is very good. Thank you, bro. I also had recently one-on-one session with one of the students. He backtested the whole year and he only had one losing month. I think we might have a good CVD setup on US 30. Excuse me. We might have a good CVD setup on, like to sell. To sell. Look at this New York session, this New York session, this New York session. So what, we're not going to 50? Do you have a goal in 2026? I have multiple goals. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 goals. Oh, close 25%. Close 25%. I almost fucking missed it. Closing 25. We broke above on trade management zone again. And if we break above this one, basically where we entered, and close on at 25, and then we're gonna be only 25% into position. But I low-key start to like this right here. Wow, eventful trading session. I really want to see an aggressor candle here out of this accumulation. I always shoot at 1 to 3, and then if it goes to 1 to 3, I will be out of the position around 70, 80 or 90% of the position, and then I'll put my stops at break even and leave the rest to run. Now the price is just being whatever, not really moving. We're seeing some bearish impulses here and there every time we break above these trade management zones, but just by looking at what we're seeing here, we're just accumulating at this moment. I mean, if we close above trade management zone again, then another 25 needs to go. It's crazy. So okay, we didn't close yet. We're just completely destroying this trade management zone up and down. Dovy, what's the piece of advice in trading you want to give out today? Wow, you got me on the spot, huh? I mean, I think I'm going to use an example of what happened today. So, first of all, you need to build out a system, trading system, which you can follow, right? Step by step, and which you can repeat every single day in the same way, because consistent analysis equals consistent results. But only way that you can consistently follow that system, you need to be 110% confident in the system. So while you're building a trading system, do a lot of backtesting to build out a confidence. Like these guys in the chat said, hey Dovy, I backtested your strategy for 6 months and I got great results. I had a one-on-one session with a guy. He said, I backtested your strategy for 12 months. I only had 1 losing month. This is how you build confidence. So by the time you go to the real markets and forward testing, right, this strategy and the system, when you hit walls of losing streaks, I would even call winning streaks a wall, because when you're winning a lot, you get greedy, you start over trading and stuff. You are not affected. You understand that all I need to do is follow this system. I already built the confidence. I already built the trust by doing backtesting. Now all I need to do is continue doing what I was doing, right? Instead of being fearful when you're in a losing streak, or when you have emotions, when other people tell you that you shouldn't enter this trade, you should continue execute this trade, you know, because you already built so much confidence around it. So yeah, that would be my advice. And trading system is not just trading strategy. As you can see, I have trade management zones. I have risk management zones. Thankfully, we have an indicator that tells us the risk already before you enter the trade. So you don't need to really jump around through different time frames to understand what type of risk you need to be using for that trade. And trading system, like I call it, the profitable triangle, right? It's trading strategy, how you find the setup, and that's the point A. Then what type of risk you're going to be using for that setup, and then point Z is how you're going to manage the trade. If you have a step-by-step system from point A where you're looking for a setup to point Z where you're managing your trade and exiting your trade, you have a system from start to the end. Because if you don't have a system, then every decision you make in between, it's going to be emotional. Candle goes up, oh, you get emotional, I'm in profit. Candle goes down, oh, what do I do now? Like every move will be controlled by emotions, or other words, by the markets. But if everything is like systematic process, for example, for me, the way I found the setup, systematic step-by-step process. Every time frame has a purpose. How I found my risk, it's systematic process. How I manage my trade, it's also a systematic process. So I'm not being controlled by emotions, both left and right. I see price closed above my trade management zone, I'm scaling out, you know. If the price was just going into my take profit, I would just leave it running. So everything from point A to point Z is like every question is answered, so I don't leave room for emotions when I'm trading. I don't use ICT turtle soup, bro. Don't confuse people. This indicator, we built it. Like me and one of my students, actually, Keith, which is also now my partner. He joined, he's also a developer. He said, hey, for your risk management, instead of you having to jump from different like timeframes and stuff like that, why don't you automate it by building an indicator? So this is indicator only like accessible to people inside of my community. And I know a lot of you are already using it. We have multiple, the sessions indicator. It's also what we built, lot size calculator, and we even have the zone advisor. So it advises you supply and demand zones, right? Here, for example, that's a good zone. You see yellow box around it? That's an indicator finding this zone. It's an actual valid zone. So it's not like 100% accurate, but it helps you kind of scan through the markets to try to find these zones, which is very cool, especially for those who are beginners. So my strategy, I have two strategies. I have supply and demand strategy with multiple different complex and simple entry confirmations. I build the bias by looking at higher time frames. And my second strategy is volume-based scalping strategy that I use for indexes and gold. And it's a 1 to 3 minute time frame strategy that we use for scalping in London session. It's 8 p.m., but my bedtime is 8:30. Like I have to be in bed by 8:30. 8:07 right now. Otherwise I'm like, I have to wake up at 5 a.m. So if I go to sleep later, like I'm gonna be dead rest of the day. One of the best things is to wake up at 5 a.m., bro. One of the best fucking things. Like you get so much done, you're so much more active, you get much more daytime. It's crazy how, I was thinking about this today. It's crazy how all these people work so hard to get the freedom and not to wake up early, do whatever they want, just to end up coming back to it like I did. Like I can sleep until 11. London session opens at 12. I can sleep until 11, right? But I choose to wake up at 5 a.m. just so I get more done. I take care of my health and I work out and I, take care of my body. So it's crazy actually. Like I hate to wake up early, but I don't know. I just I just find it so beneficial. So, I could definitely sleep in as much as I want. But every time I sleep in, I wake up and I'm regretting sleeping in because you just waste your time. And like if you wake up at 11, you got from 11 to 6 p.m. You don't do any work at 6 p.m. Like at 6 p.m. you want to sit on your couch and scroll and watch films and do type of stuff, you want to wind down. But if you wake up at 5, you get so much more done, and then basically by 3-4 you're done. I mean, I have a New York session at 6:30 p.m. So US 30 though. Now what the fuck am I doing? What candle am I using? Oh, probably this one. EURUSD is looking alright now. Besides gym, what do you do when you're not trading? I play golf. I like to surf. I love to surf. I'll just chill. I'll hang out with some people. Actually, I noticed that whenever I have the season when I'm locked in, my social life dies because everyone is texting me, "Hey bro, let's go to dinner at 9 p.m." It's like my bedtime is at 8:30 p.m. So it's like you always just skip on invitations. And then I also don't drink, so Why do you wake up early then? So, what? Because I like to. Like, I like to, not to, I don't like waking up early. I like having 2 workouts a day, you know, and having a longer day, getting more stuff done. I'm way more active in the community. I bet people in the community notice that I'm like way more active. We do 2 live trading sessions in a day. Like, if you wake up at 5 a.m., you already done like a big job. Like, so Dovy, can you share some advice to reach financial freedom? Learn a skill that you can capitalize on and double down. Learn a skill, financial skill. I mean, I'm a trader, so I can tell you to do a financial skill, but there's many skills in the world. I mean, for me, it was trading and trading in a financial market. So this is the type of skill that I learned, I mastered, and it's never gonna go anywhere. So find a high, because like I've seen throughout my life, 26, I've seen people who work extremely hard and don't get paid a lot of money, and I've seen a lot of people who don't work as hard and get paid a lot of money. It's not about what you do, it's about where you do it, right? You can work 12 hours a day as a janitor and not make as much money as let's say a trader who works 3-4 hours a day. It's like, where do you put yourself? Where do you place yourself? Like, or another example, I've seen personal trainers who work in regular gyms, they charge $100 per workout. And I've seen personal trainers who does exactly the same workouts as those guys in regular gyms, but they train people in exclusive, very expensive gyms, and they charge $500, $800, $1,000 per session. So they're doing the same job, but they're just in different locations. You know what I mean? If you want to get funded, use Funder Pro and use code Dovy for 10% off. All right, guys, I'm gonna end the stream here. Nice trades. I mean, we could have caught 2 winning trades on GBPUSD and EURUSD, but at least we caught 1 win on EURUSD, which was a really nice trade. We managed the position properly. We executed without hesitation, and I hope you guys got some profits as well. Hybrid trader students, I will see you tomorrow, London session, live trading. Thank you so much and take care. Bye. Bro, my heart is pounding. I'm not gonna lie. I can check my pulse on my whoop. Let me play some music. Asian highs, these are taken out. Both trades are still running from yesterday. I only took 1 gold trade today, which was a $2,000 loss. Bro, this could be fucked up. I gotta check, double check if everything is at break even, stop loss. Yes, okay, just in case. What about take profits? Take profits also set 49,500. Just in case. Yo. Why is it going so slow? The time is going slower. I swear. Nah, bro, I'm calm. I'm calm. I literally have fucking... I'm so fucking nervous, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm so fucking nervous, I could just close this trade right now. Bro, I swear to God. I'm so fucking nervous. I wanted to play it cool, but I can't. I can't. I didn't know. My stop loss was at break even, so it's a risk-free trade since yesterday. Same as EURUSD. I took the EURUSD trade on live and I marked up US 30 trade on live as well, and I literally entered it like 2 minutes after ended live because it confirmed. I sent it to the... Is it on the community? Oh, it was It was around 1-to-1 risk to reward when I sent it. This is also a good thing to look at. The trade was taken with a higher time frame bullish momentum, right? So you're trading with momentum. After momentum, the impulse, you got the accumulation right around this area. And then we got more accumulation the next day, and then we had another push. Come on. Come on. Come on, get to 60. Get to 60. 60 grand. Imagine this fucking reverse. My friends are texting me, hold. Wait, I have an idea.
Finding this peaceful, present awareness within as you settle into your meditative position. Seated wherever you are, close your eyes.
I can't close my eyes.
Taking a deep breath in and a long exhale out. Feel the heaviness in your eyes. Let your face completely relax. Let go.
All right, I cannot do this. $6,000 risk here and $1,500. Originally was $3,000. No, it was $3,000 risk, which is 0.5%. And then I closed partials while we were trading yesterday. So it was like 1.5K, but both trades stop loss at break even. So total risk for this whole, both setups was $7,500. It is, was. All right. I changed my mind, take profits. Should I? Wow, now I'm doing this again. We did what? Was it 50K trade on FOMC and I closed it and it just kept dropping? Guys, I'm gonna close partials. I'm gonna close half. 15 minutes, New York Open. It's gonna be fucking hell. No way, bro. Come on. Oh shit, there's no fucking way, bro. No way I'm gonna lose out on 60 fucking grand. Yeah, bro, this is fucked up, man. Not gonna lie. What the fuck is this 30-minute candle, dude? What the fuck is this 30-minute candle, dude? Stepping into New York Open. This is just fucking insane. Nothing good, bro. Nothing fucking good, man. That's such a terrible 30-minute candle close. Why didn't you fucking close, bro? All right, closed half. Closed half of NASDAQ position. 24,000 secured. And right here, around where it's at right now. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. All right, close another 2 lots. Now. All right, I'm around 40% into position. 29,000 secured. Come on, baby. 29 secured. 33 open. Bro, it's 30 grand floating. At least I'm secured, so I'm a bit chilled. I have a fucking headache, bro. I have a fucking headache, seriously. I'm gonna close another 3 lots. Just slowly scale out. Let's see this 5-minute close. Come on, 5. Come on, 5. Come on, 5. Another 3 lots closed. Alright, I am 6 out of 22. 36 closed. 23 running. I'm also gonna close EURUSD closed. Just left with the US 30. I'm gonna leave this US 30 to run, I think. All right, 44,000 closed and 13 running. All right, I'm good. I'm happy. I'm fucking happy, bro. I'm not gonna sit here and say, oh, whatever. Really fucking happy. Okay. Shit. That was fucking tense. It was more tense, not about making more profit, but more about not losing the profits that I already had. That was the pressure, you know? It wasn't about trying to win more, but it was more about the price dropping and me seeing all the blues almost 60k and then go to zero. Fuck, that would have sucked, bro. That would have fucking sucked, man. Shit. Let's go, boys. Let's fucking go. 13k. I'm okay. I'm okay risking 30k. 13k, I'm okay. If it goes to break even. I'm gonna leave this 6 running. And we'll go to dinner. Happy Friday, guys. Happy NFP. Enjoy your weekend. I'm gonna see you all next week. Fucking good week, man. All it takes is one trade. All it takes is one day to flip shit up. Started this year slowly with some break evens. 2 small losses of $2,000 on gold. And then $36,000 win on DJI. And the rest running an 8,500 win on EURUSD. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you next week.